Leo playing with parents. Suddenly, Leo was lost. Leo reached in the jungle. She decides to survive on her own and starts exploring the jungle. The cat, parrot, and monkey sit together under a big tree, sharing fruits and stories. One day, Mia notices some humans entering the jungle with two cats. Mia's mother and father calling her loudly. The parrot tells Mia the visitors are looking for someone special. Leo remembers her childhood and realizes they are her parents. Leo decided to go with her parents and living them happily.